In this video, I am going to show how to install Java Oracle in Windows 10. For the installation of Java, I am going to open web browser. Now type Oracle Java. Click on the first link, which is the official page of Oracle to download Java software. Here it is there. Download Java. Click on it. It is saying that Java 20, Java 17 are available now. Scroll down a little bit. Go to Windows and click on the .exe downloadable link of Windows 64-bit for the download. Based on your PC or laptop, you can choose the options of download which are available. Let the file get download completely. Double click on the .exe file that is downloaded. It is preparing for the installation. Now click on the next. It will take some default path. If you want to change it, you can click on change and you can change the path. As I am okay with the default, I am clicking on next. It is saying that installation is in progress. Yes, it is completed. We can click on close. Now we need to maintain the path in environment variables. For that, I am going to this PC, C drive, program files, Java. Now click on bin and copy the path by clicking on here. Now type environment variables in search bar of Windows. You can able to see edit the system environment variable. Click on open. Go to advanced tab option. Now in system variable session, look for path option and double click on it. It will open a new window. Here click on new. Paste the copied path here of Java program files. Click on OK. Again OK and OK. To check whether Java is installed successfully or not, type cmd in Windows search. Open command prompt. Type Java -iPhone version. It will display the version of Java. See here it is displaying Java 20. I will write a sample program to display how it works. To write the program, first I need to create a folder and file inside it. So I am going to this PC, G drive, creating a new folder called Learn with DG. Under this folder, I am creating a text document called sample. And I am giving the extension as .java as we need to run and compile it. See here, even though I gave .java, it is showing as text document only. For the conversion of file, I am going to view option and check on this file extension. Now it displays its extension as .txt for the sample file that I created. Rename its extension to .java. It will prompt for the conversion of extension of file. Click on S. See, now the file got converted to Java source file. Now open this file with Notepad to write the Java program. First write the class sample. Here class name and file name should be same. Giving main inside the class. Public static void main, open brace, string, square braces, egrs, close brace which is a parameter. Opening and closing the brace is important. Now inside the main, I am giving the output statement system.out.println for the printing of words hello world within the quotes. Program completed. Now save the file. To compile this, type cmd here. It will open the command prompt. Now give javac sample.java. Make sure that we have given the exact file name along with the extension of .java. If there are no errors, it generates a class file after compiling. See here in the folder along with the .java, a new file with extension of .class got created. Now give Java sample. It displays the output of program. Here as I give hello world inside the system out println, it is displaying the same. See hello world.